What's this? I put it inside my right hand. Blow. Blow. Blow, blow, blow. See, it's gone. It's still in here. See? Ready? 1, 2. This one or this one? Okay, now you hold it this way. Now just show it to everybody. Now this one, I put it inside my right hand, and this one is for you. Close your hand at the count of 3. I want you to open your hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Open it. How did you do that? Now let's go this way. Just pick one. This one or this one. Now this one, I put it inside my right hand, and this one, wait, just open it. Just open it. And this one inside the magic box, okay? Now, wait, here. Just show it to everybody. Just show it. Buddy, come on, just sit down. Okay, now, watch this. Now, this one, I put it inside my right hand, and this one inside my magic box. How many balls do I have here? 1, 2, or 3? 1. Are you sure? How? Huh? 2. But seriously, blow. See? There's nothing inside, see? What is this? What did you call this? It's come on, just right here. Now, this yellow rope, I want you to hold it like this. Blow your hand. And then let go. Come on, try it. Blow. Let go. Okay, both ends, both ends. Come on, blow. Let go. Okay, I said just blow your hand. Let go. See, now hold it right here in the middle. Keep it straight. I need something in my box, okay? Go. Just hold it tight, okay? I need something in my box, okay? Okay, just hold it, okay? Kung kumaki na lang, bibigyan kita ng magic power. Just follow me like this. Close your hand. Now you open it. Okay? Like this. Now you put it here. Dapat pantay ito yung thumb. Yan, like this. Just ready? 1, 2, 3. What are you doing? Like this. Up. And then down. Hands up. Do you know Superman? Tan-tan-tan-tan. Just follow me. Okay, let's show them the magic. Ready? Play the magic music. Just follow me. Hey, magic music. Follow me. Yep. Right hand. Down. No. Down. There's nothing inside, okay? There's nothing inside. Now just put it here. Just put it. Go. Just go. See, I need to close the zipper first. Now you hold it. Just put it back. There you go. Now, here's the magic wand, okay? Here, the magic wand. As soon as he gave it to you, just wave it something like this, and then bird appear. Are you ready? Okay, hold it, Jeff. As soon as he gave it to you, just hold it. Okay, just wave it. Wait! What are you doing? Don't worry, I can fix it. Come on, just stay right there. Yeah, don't worry, I can fix it. Just wave it softly. Yeah, hold it yan. Dahan-dahan lang. Napuntaon ko na po itong gamit. My favorite magic wand, Jeff. As soon as he gave it to you, just wave it. You hold it. Come on, just wave it. Just wave! Hold it! Seriously, here's the real magic wand, okay? As soon as I give it to you, just wave it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Guys, ready? 1, 2, 3. Seriously, ladies and gentlemen, here's my pet bird, and his name is Rio. Clap your hands for Jeff. There you go. Okay, now give me the magic wand. Touch it, softly at the back. Just touch it. Come on, wait. Just stay right here. Touch it, softly at the back. Come on, touch it. Come on, touch it. Touch it! Okay, so thank you so much, Jeff. Okay, that's it.